Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered if the text you are reading online was actually written by a human or an AI? In today's world, where AI generated content is becoming increasingly common, tools like detectgpt.com are essential. Let's dive into how this technology works and why is it so crucial. DetectGPT is a cutting-edge AI text detection tool. It identifies whether a piece of text was created by popular AI models like ChatGPT, GPT-4, or Bard. The detection is based on probability curvature, a method that uses linguistic markers and patterns to pinpoint AI-generated content. The tool compares your text to the patterns typically of AI generation, analyzing sentence structure and the likelihood of certain word choices. It is an efficient zero-shot detection system, meaning it doesn't need prior examples to make its assessment. Educators use DetectGPT to ensure academic integrity, checking students' essays for AI influence. Journalists and content creators rely on it to preserve authenticity, even researchers benefit, distinguishing human written studies from AI contributions. The rise of AI generated text challenges our notions of originality and trustworthiness. DetectGPT and similar tools help maintain standards in education, journalism, and beyond, supporting a transparent and credible digital environment. Using DetectGPT is simple. Paste your text, hit analyze, and within seconds you'll see whether it's likely AI generated. This user-friendly design makes detection accessible to everyone. As AI technology evolves, so must our methods of understanding and verifying content. Tools like DetectGPT are at the forefront of this challenge. If you want to know more about AI detection and how to bypass them, enroll now. Link given in description. Botpanels affiliate program also gives you the opportunity to earn while you learn. For more information, check out our website botpanels.com. Hit the bell icon for the daily updates. Thank you.